Hi friends, today we are installing this Gigabyte SSD M2 hard drive in a desktop motherboard. So this is how the SSD comes. It's a Gigabyte SSD. This is the packing, and this is the actual SSD. There is one booklet which comes along with it, and just to show you, I'm showing with you the screwdriver. So this is the SSD slot, and sometimes you get very confused to install it because the clip doesn't look like a clip at all. So this is the clip. I'll show you how it opens. So you just have to please carefully. This is how the clip opens, and you have to just open the clip, place the hard drive and fix it back. So this is the hard drive, Gigabyte. It's 256. So what you do is, very carefully you place it here like this. Before placing this, you have to open this clip. There's a clip over here. So place the hard drive, the SSD, and then detail here. वो clip detail है, वो clip आने. As you can see now how the clip is fitted. You have to unlock the clip, place the SSD and lock the clip again. And just for extra safety you can turn it like this. So hope you like this video. This is a very short video how to install a V2 version of this SSD. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.